guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad to have you back today. I'll be showing you how to make chickpeas flour. Chickpeas flour is a very good substitute for wheat flour. It is used in similar ways the way you use wheat flour for cooking and for baking. Chickpeas flour is very good for people with celiac disease and wheat allergies. Even though you can get chickpeas flour in the store, it's also very important to make yours at home, so it's quite easy. So we are going to start by soaking our chickpeas. I'm using 2 cups of dried chickpeas which I'm going to soak. So I'm just going to add in clean water to cover the chickpeas. Soaking your chickpeas helps to get rid of anti-nutritional factors such as phytic acids. So I'm just going to leave this for 24 hours to soak. So guys, after soaking our chickpeas for 24 hours, they have swollen up and they have doubled in size. What we are just going to do next is to drain out the water which we used to soak the peas and then rinse it under running water. I'm just going to pour my chickpeas over a strainer like this, and then I'm just going to run some clean water over it to make sure I rinse this properly. At this point, be sure to pick out any stone or any dark colored beans among the chickpeas. So I'm just going to leave this to drain for a while. So guys, once excess water has drained from my chickpeas, I'm just going to spread this out in a tray lined with a baking sheet. You can dry your chickpeas in the oven or using a dehydrator. So I'm just going to leave them in the sun because the sun is piping hot over here. I'm just going to spread out my chickpeas in a single layer, and here we go. So guys, once your chickpeas are properly dried, they should look like this. They are really crisp. So it took about 2 days to dry this in the sun. Right away, we are going to grind this into a smooth flour. You will need a very powerful blender or a food processor to process this. Once I have this very fine texture, I'm just going to sieve this to get the finest texture. And these are the larger grains we are left with. If yours are much, you can add it to the blender and blend it again the second time. So guys, here is our homemade chickpeas flour. This is gluten-free. It's a good substitute to all-purpose flour and any other type of flour that you use for baking. This is full of protein and fiber. So guys, this was how to make chickpeas flour at home. You can use this chickpeas flour for all your baking, such as pancake, cookies, and any other baking recipes that you want to make. If you like this video guys, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share this video with your friends, and if you're new to my channel and you're just joining us today, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.